It was definitely one of the most unique experiences of my life, being able to see the mining operation. People there have pretty much created themselves to find these Cobalt Blue Spinel and other types of stones in armful, surrounded by rice fields, with wild buffalo roaming and puppies playing. It was definitely something I've never seen before, and it was super incredible, and it just gives you that much more appreciation for these stones and the work that's put in to find just a tiny sample. So super incredible.
Thank you. Thank you.
So Jan, you get back from Vietnam. Yeah, show me up what you get, man.
We got some stones.
That's the bag you come. Okay, really, that's
Some cobalt.
It's a juicy, sweety one, huh? Are you ready to sell this?
I'm ready to sell this.
And the largest stone is how much?
2.3 carats. It's 9,600 a carat.
Yeah, that's a good price. And how about the half carat? That's a
This one right here, yeah, this one $3,000. It's a
Really?
good color.
Okay,
super
you don't want to
sweet.
sell them together, you want to go one by one?
It's however you choose. You can buy it together. You can buy it separate. You know.
I would sell them all together, man. You know, it's a beautiful collection of Luc Yen spinel, from vivid blue to pastelly to super saturated to lavendish. I think it's cool to go together as a Luc Yen collection 2023.
It's a bunch of samples here.
Yeah.
Luc Yen, as you all may know, produces the world's best Cobalt Blue Spinel, which doesn't have any secondary colors. And this is a great fluorescent sample. This is a half carat Cobalt Blue Spinel from Luc Yen. And it's funny, I was expecting to go there and see a bunch of these stones, but it turns out not only does this little village in the mountains, not only is it the only place in the world that produces these stones are actually the least produced stones out of that region. So it's a very rare material, and I definitely understand why people get excited over it. Super beautiful fluorescent blue color.